Hey everybody. I just wanted to do a quick video showing how I do my nails. I've just gotten rid of my Diamond District, which lasted, oh my goodness, so long. It was about 3 weeks before it definitely showed some wear, but was still going strong. Could have filed it down and kept going to it. Kind of getting sick of it, ready for a new one. So I was going to show you how I like to put on a set. So I've got right here, I pulled out my mermaid ones. My little girl is super excited for these. We'll see if she can sit still long enough for me to put them on. In here is two of the strips. I'll open it in just a second and show you. Then there's also two of these nail prep pads. These are just here to clean your nails before you start. Super important so they stick. And also a nail file that comes with it as well. So I already used the prep pad, but super simple. Just go over. It's just an alcohol pad that just gets any oils or anything off your nails. If you don't do that, then they have a hard time sticking. So let's go ahead and open this up. Just twist. Sorry, I gotta hold it up. Twist and rip it across the top, or in my case, not open it very well. There we go. Okay, and inside you will find two of these strips right here. Oh man, I'm having a hard time getting it up. Okay, so there's two of these strips. Okay, lots of different sizes for your nails. Um, what you're going to do is generally, unless you have super long nails, you can put the one strip back into the packaging and you can just get ready to seal it. Make sure you seal it as soon as you can after because they do start to dry as soon as they hit the air. It takes about 30 minutes for them really to set. So um, here's this one. What I'm going to take is I'm going to take my hand and I'm going to take these strips and I'm just going to go along. I'm going to bend it kind of like so it folds a little bit. Put it right up to my nail and see which one fits. If it's wider than my nail bed, I'll want to go down the next size until I find one that does fit. So you'll see that one fits right along my nail bed. What you'll want to do is push down your cuticles as much as you can. You'll take that one piece off so it looks like this. Okay, we'll pull the front clear piece off first. That's just a protective covering. Pull that off. And you're going to pull the back off. Keep the silver part up. Pull the back off. Then I like to hold it with the middle of my fingers, just like this, so I have more control over it. And I pull the tab off gently. And I'm able to use both ends because my fingers, I mean, your fingernails have to be this long in order for you not to. Most people don't have them that long. If you do, that's why you have the extra set too. So I'm going to just take it. I'm holding it in the middle, taking my finger, and I'm just putting it right on. Remember, the great thing about these is that if you put it on in the wrong spot, just pull it off, re-stick it on. You can do that. I've done that 4 or 5 different times sometimes. The more you do it, the better you get at it. Okay, so right here I put it, sorry not to flip you off, put it right there so it's right inside my nails without being on my skin. Okay, do your best not to get it on your skin. If you do, you can use a cuticle stick to gently go along or your fingernail and just kind of get it off. But the best is just not to do that to begin with. So just pushing it down with my finger, get a nice good seal. Okay, now what I'm doing is I'm taking my thumb and I am going to put it right underneath this part of the nail and I'm just going to press underneath the nail bed. So where it kind of comes together, I'm going to gently press and push until it just comes right off. So nail right underneath along right underneath that nail. If you have nails that have like really short nail beds, like if you're a nail biter or something, that's okay. You can still use these. The tips and tricks that I've heard is to use a cuticle stick to push down your cuticle as far as you can so they look longer. And then also take that cuticle stick and use it to get that under. If you can't get your nail under that finger, use that cuticle stick gently, move it along so you can do it. So you can still do it. And also I've heard from lots of people that it actually helps their nails start to grow better too. So there we go. I am done with that one. If I need to, I can take a file, and I will do that in a minute to file it down because there is one little edge on it over here. I don't know if you can see it. That just needs to come off. Um, be careful not to pull on them or else you can actually rip them. So it's important to do it gently. However, if you do accidentally tear them, there's lots of extras in here, so no big deal. That's my first finger. Now I'm going to take the other side. Okay, I've got the other side here, and I'm going to find another nail that it will work for. Generally speaking, my nails match up with the one on the opposite hand. Not necessarily always the same, but I just put it on. Okay, so push that cuticle down, put it right between the skin, or not, so it's not on the skin, in between on the nail, and just hold it down, push it as tight as you can. Again, fold it over with your thumb. Try to turn to make sure people can see it. Fold it over with your thumb and just gently move that thumb underneath the nail, okay, until it slowly begins to tear. Like that, and just pull it off. It's ready to go. And now on this one, I've got a little bit of edge hanging off up here at the top. And again, I can use my fingernail or my cuticle stick to help do that, take that one off. So there we go. You can see my two nails done. You just do that with all of them. Really simple, easy. Now I'm going to use these leftover pieces in the middle for my little girl. So I'm super excited. She was all excited for the mermaid today. So that's it. Quick and easy tip. When you're done, make sure to seal up those extras as quick as you can, so that they don't dry out and you can use them again. So that's it for my little tutorial today. Hopefully that helped. If you have any questions, let me know. Thank you.